In this exercise, I'm going to be showing you how to do the proprioception balance clock drill. So in this exercise, it's a fantastic one to get the knee, the ankle and the hip all working together for your single leg balance. You're going to be bringing the hip forwards to the side and also back in this drill. So it's called a proprioception clock because ultimately we can look at the 12 o'clock position, the 6 o'clock position and the 3 o'clock position as the ones that we're going to go into on my right hand side. And of course 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock and then that 9 o'clock position on my left hand side. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start off at a narrow hip width apart. So find hip width and come slightly narrower. From here I'm going to put all my balance onto my left hand side. I'm not going to bend my knee, so that stays completely straight. What I am going to do is reach out to 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, without doing any touches down of my foot. So my foot stays completely hovering for all the repetitions, and I never bring my foot down. On the other side, of course, we could do exactly the same. So we would come forwards into that 12 o'clock position, and then we come out, and then we come back. And we keep doing the repetitions. And as I'm doing this, I'm forcing my ankle on the opposing side to work really hard to stabilize as I'm coming forwards, back and side to side. You'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions to increase your single leg stability.